Hi, so today I'm going to be showing you a website that I made in Python with Flask. So let's get to it. So I have a computer open. I'm just going to go to Chrome and I use Heroku. Heroku, basically you upload it with Git to their website and you register and everything, and it gets you a web address. So this is my this is the URL for my web app, and I'll just click enter, let it load, and it should come on. So this web app that I made basically helps you plan your days. So here is a whole thing, and you see there's a Google map of California, and then you have the start and these different boxes. So what I'm going to do now is I'll type in my address. My address. And yeah, so I know it. I don't have to do anything. I just write it down. So now let's say I want to go to Starbucks in San Jose, because don't want it the other side of the world. So San Jose. Now I'll click enter and let it load, and you see that it'll show you a bunch of pin markers. These are all of the Starbucks in San Jose. So let's say I'm in Campbell, right? So I want this one. It's super close. So I'll click that and it'll fill it in for me. Now I'll want to go to Walmart. So Walmart and San Jose. Click enter and all the Walmarts will appear. So you have a limited of 6 different places to go with this, including the start. So the start's mandatory, and you don't have to have all of them. You can just have whatever number you want. So you want to start at your house, and then you want to go to these places in the day, but you don't know the best possible way to get to them. So now I want Panda Express in San Jose. Remember, you have to put the city because Google Maps needs the city. So make sure to type in the city and click enter. And then you see that these are all the Panda Expresses in San Jose. You click this, and then that's all you want to do. Don't want to do anything else, so that's okay by you. So then you click the plan route button, and you let it load. So I've done this using Google Maps API. This lets me render the map and all the data. So right here you see I have a route of A, B, C, and then D. So this is the quickest way possible. This is where my house is, and then the quickest way is to go from A, and you take this route to B, and then you go all the way to C, and then you take this other route and then join in here and go to D. And that's your day planned. And over here, it also gives you directions. So you start here, and then your directions. Now you're at B. Your directions. Now you're at C. Then, now you're at D. So that was my web app. It's very, very helpful. Please use it. I'm Neil Kumar. Please like, share, and subscribe this video. And bye.